Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I shouldn't be doing this. This is quite a startup for this video, but as you guys know, I was planning on installing my HoneyComb carbon fiber splitters today, and they did come, but I will not be able to install them. I will go over that story today in today's video. And also, my mom's car ended up getting busted into, and I got that story for y'all too. It's just been such a rough week, man. I know there's way worse problems out there, so that's not what I'm comparing it to, but I'm just saying as far as car related stuff for me, it's just been a really rough week. Last week, as you guys all know, I lost my hood because I didn't close it, so that was quite unfortunate. Without further ado, I hope you guys enjoy this little vlog, but before we start, we gotta check the car's oil before we go to work, so I'll catch you guys there, even though I'm already driving it, but I'll catch you guys there. Oil, perfect. Oil was a little bit above halfway, which is perfect. Awesome. Okay, let's continue back with the video. It doesn't seem like it's leaking. No oil spots. Alright, fool, so this is what happened last night. So I was sleeping. It was around 4:40, 4:50 a.m. Out of nowhere, I just freaking hear a bam, almost like a hit. Like, you know, when a car hits another car, kind of like that kind of hit. And then I heard a car beeping. I was like, I literally, you know how when you wake up, when you're going to work, you wake up all slouchy. But when I heard this, I was like, boom, like I wasn't asleep at all. Like I freaking woke up like that. I checked on my window. It was my mom's car beep. I'm like, yo, what the hell? Are you, like, did someone hit the car? Hold up, let's put a pause on that story. Let me get this boy the gap real quick. I seen the car beep, so I go to my main living room because we have a bigger window there that you can see the car clearly. And I'm like, bro, are you serious, bro? They hit the motherfucking car. You can see in the video, they come for my neighbor's truck. They you know, they do their thing, and then they leave, and then they come back and they go straight for my mom's car. And well, they busted the window, right? But as soon as they busted the window, I think that's when the alarm went off, and that's when I started to go check, and that's when they busted a move, because obviously the car's freaking beeping hella loud, so they don't want to get caught, so they freaking dip. And but yeah, they luckily they didn't end up taking anything, just because the alarm did go off. But yeah, man, then across and even further down my street, they got a couple cars, man. They knocked the window of a couple cars. Yeah, it was an unexpected, unpleasurable night yesterday. My parents ended up taking the car to go fix the window. They fixed it for about like $160, I believe, which I don't think it's that bad. And well, yeah, that's the story of that. But I wasn't that sad because I got an email that same morning saying, hey man, your splitters are on the way to your house today. Be ready to pick it up, blah blah blah. So I'm like, holy shit. Anyways, when I got home, I opened them because obviously I want to see it, man. It's like whenever you get a mod, you know, and you receive it at home, it's Christmas all over again, boys, and it's one of the best things in the world. But when I opened them, man, dude, I got another unfavorable events towards me. And well, after work, I'm gonna go ahead and drive home and show you guys what happened. I'm gonna have to relocate that oil cooler because I'm afraid that's just gonna pierce. I kind of want to mesh in front of it, but oh my god, this hair. Let's get a cold startup real quick. I mean a hot startup. All right guys, as we speak, we have been in contact with Easy Splitters, and they just sent me a message. They reached out to me and they pretty much said like they can make me a new one, but I would just have to wait like the amount that it takes. And you already know, guys, carbon takes forever to make, so I hate waiting. So he gave me a second option. He was like, or since it's just a wing to the splitter's in phenomenal shape, the wing's in phenomenal shape, it just kind of detached from it, right? Kind of like unglued itself. So basically I can just glue it back on, not with any ordinary glue, with epoxy, which is the kind of glue, the resin that you use to make carbon. As you guys know, I made my own carbon fiber vents in my hood that I freaking broke, that flew off. Well, anyway, I got a little bit of experience with epoxy already, so I feel confident enough to just glue it on, put the epoxy on it, have it stay, and fix my splitter just like that. And he will give me a partial refund on my order for, you know, for the item breaking. And it's not their fault, it was probably the shipping, the UPS fault, but I mean, that's an awesome deal. I'll take that deal any day. So you gotta go buy some epoxy, fix the easy splitters, and then in the next video I'll go ahead and install it for you guys. All right guys, we made it nice and safe. Tires are still shiny. Oh shit, I forgot my mask. Ace Hardware here at our downtown hardware store. Now, I don't think we need 4,000 psi, man. I think that's way too. I mean, 3,300 is more than enough. I mean, no one's gonna be stepping on it. It's just so it holds on. Plus, epoxy gets super hard, man. Trust me, I got impressed the first time I was doing carbon. So, what's neat about this is that it comes in one needle. You know, you just cut off the needles and you press this down and you get a 1:1 ratio. Usually when I did the carbon, I mix the hardener like maybe 3:1. With this 1:1 ratio, it looks like it gives us a 5-minute set time, which is more than enough time. So we're gonna go ahead and try this out. Sheesh, I'm a brand new man right there, Golden Blaze, bro. My boy Eric. Man, dude, I was falling asleep, bro. I'm so tired, guys. You're looking like a brand new man today. Anyways, let me go home, show you the splitters. They're fucking fire, bro, but we're gonna have to repair them. Here. I could just install it like that, you know, but this looks pretty sick. And it's carbon, and I paid for it, so fuck. So I basically just got this little bottom strip, goes like this. My only issue, I'm already set. I already got my resin over there. I got my resin, I got my brush, I got my cups, because I've done it before, so I already have like the supplies. So right now I'm gonna go walk because I need to get my physical exercise of the day. So I'm gonna go walk. When I come back, I'm gonna see if I can figure something out here to try to fix this splitter. I'm gonna be adding the epoxy. Epoxy is strong, man, trust me, it's hella strong. So I think once we add the epoxy, it shouldn't. Now I'm gonna add epoxy around it too, so kind of creates like a layer around it. So with that being said, I think this is gonna turn out pretty okay. So cross our fingers and let's continue on. All right guys, I came back from walking. I went ahead and started this. Piece is sticking on really good. So I don't know if you guys can see, I pretty much made a seam. You guys see where all those droplets are at? That's pretty much a seam around all the cracks, and it should hold the freaking piece together as well, just as a secondary. And then I'm gonna do it in the bottom under the piece, so it really holds on as well. Hopefully this will keep it on, and we'll see how long it lasts. Man, that piece looks amazing. All right guys, so that pretty much concludes this video. Very short video. I just wanted to let you guys know a little update. Things been going on in my life, just what's going on right now and things that are happening. So that piece will most likely be done either today or tomorrow. So next video for sure this time will be the install of the HoneyComb carbon fiber splitters. And yes, I will be selling my old ones, but I think I already got a buyer. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. And here's a sneak peek on my HoneyComb carbon fiber steering wheel. And I'm gonna end the video on that. So take care. Love you guys. Stay safe out there, man. You guys don't know what can happen out there. Love you guys. See you guys next video. Peace.